Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you a quick fix for the CORS policy error in Chrome. This error is caused by the fact that the API that we're using is not providing authentication headers for Chrome, and because of that it is not considered secure. So in order to bypass this problem, we will create a development instance for Chrome that does not enforce CORS policy. So this fix is recommended only for development purposes, and I would not recommend using it for any other than that because it leaves your computer vulnerable to potential security risk. So in order to use the fix, I will be opening a command prompt, and we will need to run this command that creates a development instance for Chrome, and the files that it needs will be stored at this location. You can change it if you want. If you get this kind of error, what you need to do is to go to your Chrome installation folder that is usually in your C drive, program files, Google Chrome application, and you need to copy this path, paste it in the terminal, and you'll need to make a few changes to it. First of all, add quotation marks and change the backslashes to forward slashes. And also add the executable to the path. Okay, and for the rest of the command we can just copy it and paste it. And this will open a development Chrome instance, and we can navigate to our uh, server, and we can now see that it works. And if you close this and open Chrome again and access the website again, we can see that the information doesn't load once again. So in order to fix this, you'll need to run the command again, and I would advise you to keep the same path here, otherwise you'll end up with some duplicate files.